Leo, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong monthly reading for the month of August 2023. This is a general reading, so maaari kayong makarelate, maaring hindi. Just take what resonates. Panoorin nyo rin yung inyong mga Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus para sa iba pang mensahe. Meron tayong video na nagpapaliwanag tungkol doon. Link on the description. And thank you so much po sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. If you're interested in private readings, lahat po ng information nasa description, pakicheck nyo na lang. And I'm also selling my pre-love tarot decks and oracle decks. If you are interested in that, yung link ng aking Shopee ay nasa description. And pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook page, Instagram, at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH. Okay, Leo. Let's see what's coming to you ngayong August 2023 for Leo. Hearth, Vesta. Ito yung passion mo, no? So I think you're going to focus on your passion. Kung nasaan ang tibok ng puso mo. You also have the 6th house, sustainability. This is also about your health. So, maaring kayo ay magfo-focus rin sa pag-aalaga ng inyong kalusugan ngayong August. Lalo na sa mga Leo rising, no? Kasi si Saturn in Pisces nasa 6th house of your health. So, take care of your health kapag meron kayong nararamdaman na kakaiba na. So, sa katawan nyo, kahit ano pa yan, no? May manifestation sa physical body nyo, pa-check nyo na. You also have symbiosis, trine, and sextile. So this is about help. This is also about assistance. So any challenges that you might face ngayong August, rest assured na there is help. No, merong assistance, may tulong na ibibigay sa inyo. Pwede itong tao na gagamitin ni God para tumulong sa inyo during the times of needs. Okay, let's see ano pa for Leo. True love come to me, o yung iba sa inyo, you are manifesting a loved one, romantic partner. Ayan, baka meron kayong makikilala na romantic partner ngayong August. You also have prosperity. Wow, ang ganda nito. So this is about expansion, okay? Maaring pagpapalago ng mga nasimulan mo na sa trabaho, sa business mo, sa career mo. Especially if you are into agriculture or meron kang farm, ayan. And this is also about, you know, adding new knowledge and skills sa buhay mo para mas lalo kang maging prosperous. Kasi the more you know, the more na mas maraming opportunities na nag-o-open up sa inyo. So, let's see what else. For Leo, August 2023. You have the Knight of Pentacles. You are developing something, no? Developing a career, developing a business. Slowly but surely. I see you na magiging maingat ka sa mga actions na gagawin mo in terms of your career and business. You're not in a hurry. You just want to, you know, parang dumaan dun sa proseso na pag-angat. Okay? You also have the Strength card. So, this is your energy. You have the courage, no? Yung lakas ng loob na gawin. I think meron kang plano. This can be for your career or a business, no? Na parang you will somehow take a risk, but at the same time, itong risk na to well calculated. You also have the 7 of Cups and the 3 of Pentacles. Okay, some of you, marami nag-open na opportunity sa inyo to the point na nagkakaroon kayo ng kaguluhan ng isip, no? Confusion. Pwedeng meron ditong nag-offer ng collaboration, ng project na marami kayo, no? Pwedeng 2 or 3 people kayo na will be part of this business. And somehow, parang isip mo, kaya mo ba yun, no? Especially that this is a new responsibility for you. So, naghahanap ka ngayon ng lakas ng loob. But definitely, you have the strength that you need for this, no? Kailangan mo lang i-clear yung mind mo, no? With this 6th house energy, tinan mo, ina-align niya yung chakra niya. So, this is about balance, meditation. So, practice meditation. Yan yung makakatulong sa inyo para makapagpa-clear ng inyong isip at mas magiging madali sa inyo na makapag-decide ano yung gagawin nyo sa susunod. You also have the Queen of Wands. This is freedom and also creativity. So, you are facing your creativity right now. Parang you are encouraging yourself na to be more, use your skills and your talents to make your life more, kumbaga more more meaningful, and at the same time for you na maging rin siya, fulfilling, no? You have the World card. Speaking of fulfilling, meron kang i-fulfill or meron kang matatapos na project ngayong August na you will feel good about it kasi you will be rewarded for this. Pwede rin iba sa inyo may magko-close na chapter ng life ninyo ngayong August because you are going to start a new chapter wherein you will be working with other people. Yes, Wheel of Fortune. Ang ganda. So, I think for some of you, there's travel to some places na, kumbaga, kung hindi man to sa ibang bansa, pwede tong mas magiging, busy, no, sa pagta-travel sa iba't ibang lugar. Unlike before. Baka meron kang mga i-research or pupuntahang lugar para malaman tungkol sa isang bagay na kailangan mo para sa negosyo mo. Oo, something like that. You can radically change your results by shifting your beliefs. Yes. What belief is limiting you? Ayun na nga. Yung confusion na nabanggit ko sa inyo kanina, na iniisip nyo, hindi ko kaya yan, or baka ganito yung maging problema. So, mas maganda na, kumbaga, isipin nyo na hindi kayo limited. You can do a lot of things. Kumbaga, lakasan ng loob rin yan no? Especially to those who are starting a business. Lakasan ng loob. Rise above it. It's not yours to carry. You are an empath. How can you detach from the drama? Ayan. So, kung meron mga drama sa paligid ninyo na hindi naman talaga kayo involved, i-detach nyo na yung sarili nyo para hindi na rin kayo naapektuhan. So, halimbawa, problema ng iba, no? Tapos, they try to parang ini-involve ka kahit wala ka namang kinalaman. So, might as well distance yourself from those people. Deep inward journey. You will be rewarded for the work. O, diba? Ito yung nabanggit ko sa inyo kanina. Meron kayong reward sa hard work ninyo. How can you alchemize your fear? Yes. How can you alchemize your fear? This is transmutation, no? Yung fear mo, itatransmute mo into strength. Ayan, with the strength card dito kanina. So, I think there are times na, natatakot tayo na sumubok ng mga bagong bagay or mag-decide for our life, for ourselves. But, kasi kung wala tayong gagawing changes at hindi tayo susubok ng mga bagong opportunities na nag-open up, we might find ourselves na stuck sa isang situation na hindi naman talaga natin gusto in the first place. So, 'di ba? So, kumbaga, bring some adventure in your life. So, I think you're going to bring adventure in your life ngayong August, Leo. Oh, diba? Leo, time to get out of a situation. So, alam nyo na yan, kung ano yung sitwasyon na yan na hindi naman nakakatulong na sa inyo, it's just stressing you out. Shrewdness and resourcefulness, especially in business. O, ayan. So, pagdating sa business, kailangan din, hindi laging puso ang pinapagana dyan, no? Pati isip, maging logical ka rin, para hindi ka rin i-take advantage ng iba. Okay? And, use your resources. Yung mga pwede mo pang gamitin na hindi mo kailangan gumastos para maipurso mo yung para mabawasan yung iyong yung iyong mga gagastusin pa. Take care. Oh, Leo, take care. Enemies are working against you. Nako naman. O, yun na nga, sinasabi ko sa inyo. Umalis kayo sa mga situation na alam nyong stressful na. Get out of that situation. Someone working against you behind your back. Oh my God, Leo. Na, 2 beses yung energy na yan. Okay? You need to take care of yourself and also be careful in trusting people. No? Hindi lahat maganda yung intentions. Oo, lalo na kung nakikita nila na mas umuunlad ka. Okay? So, that is your reading. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Leo. See you again.